Welcome to Undergrad Robotics.
I'm Sondre.
And I'm Fred. And this week we're going to talk about our concept. We've also investigated a little bit more about PWM signals from an RC remote control.
We've also had a talk with one of Norway's leading image processing mathematicians in regards to processing image on the Pixie. And we've also done some modifications on our GoPro remote.
And we spent a lot of money.
Money. And now for the concept.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is our expanded concept drawing, which includes all the parts we're going to use, the major components, including a moose and our photographer. So we have the heart of the rig, which is the Arduino Mega 2560, which is going to control all the components. We have a camera for the viewfinder, which is going to be mounted in the viewfinder in the case of a DSLR camera or on top of a GoPro. This is going to transmit an image to the controller, which the photographer then can use from a distance away to see what his camera is taking a picture of. So we've also decided to write a software for a computer to tweak all the parameters on the Arduino, and we've also decided to use a separate controller for the motors since we went for brushless DC motors. This controller includes an IMU, an inertia measurement unit.
So we needed a way for the Arduino to control the camera. And for a normal DSLR, that would be just a cable plugged into the camera. But for a GoPro, you don't really want to drill holes in the main housing of the camera, because it's supposed to be waterproof. So we found a way that we could instead just use the Wi-Fi remote control and modify that to do our bidding. So what we did was we took this remote right here and we opened it up, and we basically just soldered two wires to the different pins on the record button, and we had to make our own little circuitry that consists of basically a transistor and a resistor. And this lets us connect the GoPro remote to the Arduino. Just simple and easy like that. Isn't it fantastic?
Right, so coming up in the future we're going to make a separate video on pulse width modulation processing as well as image processing.
Yes. And please visit our new blogspot.
Remember to like our videos and subscribe!
Right, thanks for watching, see you next week.
Thank you.
Damn, it feels good to be a gangster. A real gangster ass nigga plays his cards right. A real gangster ass nigga.